Hey, it's Andrew at North Hill Mazda, and I'm just here to show you a subcompact SUV with style. This is our 2019 CX-3 GT in metallic gray. This CX-3 is powered by a 2-liter engine on Mazda's amazing and reliable Sky-Active all-wheel drive system. Inside, you'll see the gorgeous, genuine leather styling with a light gray suede stitch. Heated steering wheel, heated seats, and Bose sound system are all added for your comfort, and you are sure to fall in love with Mazda's iActive safety technology like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitor system, heads-up display, and more. The perfect SUV for your growing family with plenty of space in the back, as well as a 60/40 flat split seat. Book a test drive today.